All right, this is the Michael Stokes repairability test. This is for the front. We've got the new shingle here that we'll be using, Certainty 3-tab, closest match. The damaged shingle is this one on the right, this 3-tab here. Just gonna get ready to begin the extraction. Be as gentle as possible. Extracting the nails. Trying to keep it as low as possible. Decrease. Okay, so we got that shingle extracted. Okay, let's try to get this one extra nail out. All right, so we got it extracted. Shingle's out. I mean, just from that little bit, you can see here, it's starting to crease these four above it pretty significantly. I mean, just by touching it, you can see the granules. Barely touching it, coming off. Significant crease there. Same thing. Very prominent on this one as well, as you can see. All right, so we're gonna try to put the new one back in. What we'll be using is the roof snake. Can you hear me that real quick? So that way we can keep the shingle as low as possible while still getting the nail all the way in. Set the nail in that slot, and nail it down. Keep the shingle as low as possible. Let's go in a little more. see with this tool here, it kind of keeps it as low as possible. Just from him nailing, you can see the shingles losing granules just from that, just from hitting the actual shingle. Other side again. I can show the angle under that 45 degrees. Driving it the rest of the way in. Again, just from him hitting, you know, the shingles below. I mean, there's some more granules here. Beautiful. Okay. So as you see, as gentle as we were, even using the roof snake, still, you know, these, I mean, you can see even just the fiber on the edges, how, you know, unrepairable these shingles truly are. I mean, barely touching it again. These granules are coming down. So with that, I would say that this front repairability test is a fail. Pretty sure everything. This is the rear Stokes repairability test. Obviously damaged shingle here, the missing one to the left. It's the street tab, we're gonna replace it, same thing, certainteed, closest match, and we'll be using the roof snake to put the new shingle back in as to keep everything from going above that 45-degree threshold. So get started with the extraction. As gentle as possible, trying not to damage the surrounding. is still sealed on the bottom. And just like come across, get to the bottom. There you go. Makes it a lot easier on you. Gentle as we can. See what up these are. We start from the extractor pull that. Keep it as low as possible. Bring the shingles up just the thickness of his hand, basically. You gotta get the nails out. Yep. 5 on it. Low as possible. Low as we can. Still sealed up. Yeah. Perfect. I guess there's still some that were left from the shingle. Alright, so we got the shingle out. Even just from that, you can see same thing. You can see a crease here at the top. You know, loose granules. Same situation. You just barely tap it. It's a little darker, so it's hard to see, but you can see along the top the actual crease. Loose granules. Same thing. Granules just falling down. I mean, shingle here, same thing. Across the board. Just from the extraction. Several granules. So what he's going to try to do is get this one back in as gingerly as possible. He's going to use that roof snake to keep everything below that 45-degree threshold, like I said. There's your nails. There you go. trying to do. Driving the nail the rest of the way in, set it on top. Just the height of the pole. Height of the nail. Okay, got the shingle back in. So as you can see, there are quite a few creases here. This is actually starting to tear on that right side. All these 4 shingles right above it. We took the hardest beating. Looks like this one here. Same thing. Loose granules. Yeah, so with these 4, to repair 1 shingle, we're looking at what, two shingles that got damaged in the process. So with that, we're gonna call this one a fail.